Hi and welcome back. For creating a plan or schedule for a project, we need to know the details of the project. Using that details only, a planning engineer starts creating a plan. Project plan is usually called as schedule or program. Let's start creating a project. So first let's check the project details. This is a company named RRK Limited, which has two branches, RRK Constructions and RRK Power. RRK Constructions takes civil projects such as road works, building works, bridge works, etc. RRK Power takes only power plant works. Okay. RRK Constructions again divided into two branches, RRK Transportation and RRK Building. Now, RRK Transportation takes roadworks, bridgeworks, etc. Okay. Now, RRK Building takes flat works, villa works, etc. Now, RRK Building got one project, a one-story house. Okay. So, here in this course, we are going to plan this project, the one-story house. Now, let's check the responsible person for each company. For RRK Limited, it's president. Here RRK Limited is the head office. So the responsible person for head office is president. Next, RRK Constructions and RRK Power. Those are taken care by vice presidents. So VP1 for RRK Constructions and VP2 for RRK Power. Now for RRK Transportation and RRK Building, it's taken care by General Manager, GM1 for RRK Transportation and GM2 for RRK Building. Now the project, it's handled by project manager. Okay. So we have one company named RRK Limited. It has two branches, RRK Constructions and RRK Power. And RRK Constructions again two branches, RRK Transportation and RRK Building. And for RRK Building, they got one project, a one-story house. President is responsible for RRK Limited. Then for RRK Constructions, it's Vice President 1 and RRK Power Vice President 2. For Transportation, it's GM1 and for Building, it's GM2. And for project manager is responsible. I hope you understand this. Later we will enter this data in Primavera. Now let's start understanding this project in detail. Our first activity is site preparation. So this is the area where we want to construct our one-story house. So we want to clear this area and prepare the site. After finishing site preparation, we will start three activities in parallel. Okay. So first one is garden area preparation. So this activity is for preparing the garden area required for this project. Okay. Now on the same time we can start the basement works for that building, the piling and column works. Like this we will start this activity. Okay. Next is compound wall foundation. So for our building we have a compound wall. So in this activity we will construct the foundation for that compound wall. So here three works will be running in parallel: garden area preparation, then piling and column works, and compound wall foundation works. Now after finishing garden area preparation, next activity is fertilize soil, and after that planting. Now here in this activity we mix fertilizer with soil, okay, and then we will start planting in garden area. After piling and column works we will start roof concreting, okay, and after roof concreting we will start block works for wall and plastering it for our building. So roof concreting. So this is roof concreting. Here we can see we completed the basement works, then we will start our roof concreting works. Okay. Next is block work and plastering. So after finishing roof work we will start block works, then start plastering block works. After compound wall foundation we will start compound wall block works. After compound wall block works we will start compound wall plastering works. After finishing the foundation of compound wall we will start the block works. Okay. And after finishing the block works we will start plastering those block works. After finishing main building block work plastering and compound wall plastering, we can start our next activity, painting, electric, plumbing works. Here painting works, plumbing works, electrical works. Okay, now after finishing painting, electrical, plumbing works and planting works, we can hand over our one-story building. Okay, so hand over it. So these are the activities in our project. In actual projects, there may be more activities. For better understanding purpose, I simplified these activities and we will use these same activities throughout this course. I believe my explanation up to now is very simple, and if you have any doubts, let me know.